The coronavirus has affected a lot of industries, one being the movie theater. So let's see the commotion around it as to what is happening. Two movies which are supposed to be launched in cinemas are going to be launched on OTT apps. One of them being Shakuntala Devi, the other one being Gulabo Sitabo. Looking at this, Inox released a statement saying that they are very displeased by the entire thing, and the one statement exactly was Inox would like to ask all content creators not to skip the cinema run and to stick to the age-old and established window pattern, which is the best interest of everyone involved in the value chain. Uh, Again, let's break that down as to what is the value chain, how much does it earn, how much is a Bollywood, the entire universe worth, and how much value does it add. The entire Bollywood industry is worth 260 billion. Let's check out the top two main players. One is PVR and one is Inox. Inox is worth 2000 crores and PVR is worth 4000 crores based on the market cap. So again, just do the math. Even in the normal case scenario, if this would be around 20 to 30% of the entire industry, should we put and stake the other 70% that is there to it? That would be foolishness. See, the OTT apps were already taking over a part of the businesses. The coronavirus has only accelerated the entire demise of the movie theaters. Again, one of the content creators, Yash Raj, they gave a statement that they would want to do a movie run rather than the OTT apps. That is just like saying we'll check out what's happening and then we'll get back to you. So again, if these movies which are on OTT apps they come out as successful, the other content creators will follow. It's like how do I put it? Yeah, the first bird gets the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. So this is the entire situation with Yash Raj at the moment. What is the future of this industry? I would say again, OTT apps were always a threat to many things. Like even when OTT apps came out, it was a threat to Tata Sky. Tata Sky quickly changed its business model and it came down to the app which now you can watch on your phone. So my thing was even PVR and the others have to move to OTT for a certain period of time. And again, the winner out of all of the OTT apps is the one who could give the audience the theater experience at home. This could be possible via VR or AR, but again, that's yet to see who cracks the entire thing. The biggest threat right now, according to me, is the Disney Plus app. The Disney Plus app, it has some very cool IPs never seen before. The IPs are nostalgic, the entire Marvel universe and everything. Now they have the place to show it, that is Disney Plus the app, and they also own the content. In the future, this will create a lot of problem for theaters. And again, it is all about having control of how the consumers consume their content. Consumers are getting used to consuming content via OTT apps due to the lockdown. They have no choice. And again, instead of cribbing over what is going to happen about their revenues, they should try to change their entire business model, which is necessary for the moment. One drawback I realize what they see in this is if they make the consumer get used to their OTT app, why would they come to the theaters? But that is the only choice you have at the moment. You can't wait. I don't see the lockdown opening till Diwali because the number of cases are increasing. Second thing, till Diwali you do not expect any content creator to be go on without money, because they also have invested a lot of money in the studios, in editing, for actors and everything. So again, they can't wait till the lockdown ends. They need to earn their money right now. That's all for today. Do leave a comment of what you think about the entire scenario. Thank you so much.